This one a double murder suspect. This man will kill him wife and him pikin. As all the old matter go, this man come talk say, na him won't be him own lawyer. And I don't hear this kind of one. You know, so now only abroad, now this kind of thing they happen for. And they talk say this one happen for Florida. Or Igbo people, now no go stop till they make me laugh. You kill person, you can't still get the mind say, you won't defend yourself. For matter where you know say, what you do, it not even good. This man they talk say his name now Ronnie O'Neill, and him from Florida. The girlfriend where he killed, the girl name now Kenyatta Baron, and the daughter will be 9 years old. This girl name now Ronnie Nivea. The talk say this man use hacket take kill then these two people. You know surprising now. How person go use hacket? And I know it's be hacket axe. He use axe where they sharp use and take kill in Pekin. Now there they come summon this man go court take kill. As you don't hear your own case of this story, you say come. The person don't already die. We don't hear what happen. But you say fine lawyer can't defend yourself. Now there this man can say okay, now him won't be his own lawyer. Make a watch video of how this man did disgrace himself. Say him be lawyer.
Neil, representing himself, shouted at the jury during his opening statement.
And the evidence is going to show that law enforcement tampered with evidence. The evidence is going to show my son did not see me murder his mom. The evidence is going to show he did not see me shoot his mom.
You ready to proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just saw my dad holding a shotgun and my mom and mom screaming at him.
And your father had a shotgun. What happened next? What did he do?
My mom ran in my sister's room. My mom ran in my sister's room and terrified into the closet. And then my dad said, come in here and come kill this, the B-word.
Did you hear any shots from the shotgun before that?
Yes.
How many times?
One.
Was there a time when your mother was able to get out of the closet?
She was like stumbling outside, and then I just saw my dad chase her.
What do you remember happening next?
My dad told me to walk around and say like some words.
And do you remember what words your father told you to say?
Allah Akbar.
Allahu Akbar?
Yes.
How you doing, Ronnie?
Good.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Did you see me shoot your mom?
No.
Did I hurt you that night of this incident?
Yes.
I did. And how did I hurt you?
You stabbed me.
But I don't see the rubbish where this man just stand the talk. This one even, he still go even wear suit. Saying they claim to be lawyer. Some Igbo people, they don't even get sense. But the matter be, the talk say the 8-year-old son, they say this man even stab this boy. In fact, this stabbing even affects his intestine. But as God go do him, this boy no die. So now this boy come outside, now come talk everything where really happened. Talk say the papa come house, come they shout, Alu Akbar. This one no be Allahu Akbar. Saying they shout, Alu Akbar, Alu Akbar. Now they ain't carry knife, start to they kill people. I can't they want, you sure say this man never color? You sure say mental case never reset this man brain? Because how person go just dig. If say you be Muslim now, go say you be Muslim. The Muslim themselves where they try talk, you know they even talk and well. Now another thing you they mention, you can't decide say, now everybody now you want to say I say even finish if you can't use gasoline, gas, take burn down this house, you won't put this house down on fire. How come they wonder? Say this, I'm not sure say this man they okay at all. But him now, as in come as I say below, and they try defend himself, say in wife they attack in children. Say the wife won't kill the children, they ain't gonna attack the wife, kill. But how come you take attack wife? Can't kill your pikin self join. Now they ain't gonna talk say okay for this whole matter, he won't bring out in pikin, as in pikin make him pikin because be in defense. Now there they ask this boy, boy, did I hurt you? The boy say yes. And I say where pikin don't they cast him, papa? Say, did I hurt you? The boy say yes. Say, how did I hurt you? The boy say, you stabbed me. Now then the man start to a para. Say there is no evidence. There is no this one. See, the boy the man say him picking go lie for her. You were killing mama. You know how this boy go to feel. If say this boy not even there alive, we sure say police and the court self go even believe say this is where they talk now true. The thing where even wants this whole matter. Now they talk say this man, I think they even give this court. In even they talk and well. Now so in they shout, they talk like mumu. Now the judge self say this man he know they correct. Say no way because person where they well, you know they shout on top of judge maybe say you suppose they even talk small. They beg and make him reduce your jail sentence. Now there you can't decide say now shout you want they shout. This one now madness in corporate attire. Because I seen dress like this, me I sure say this man don't dey mad. They don't mix cocaine and weed give him before he come this place because he know they okay. Person wey dey okay go find better lawyer because all the thing when they talk sense, the thing never make sense. How you go take go kill your own pikin? And I don't say this kind of murder case. In fact, now the whole world everywhere they hot as it be like this. People just they kill themselves for no reason. This one now in the talk say he won't even die like Biggie. What's it concern Biggie concern you? You don't go even come your own case self now double murder because this one now you kill your pikin, you kill your wife. Now God even say I sure say they go even still add say you burn down the house and you even stab your pikin, they go still add them to that. So in fact your jail sentence now I sure say they go even kill you. All this one way they do it. Oh, people wanna get time. Oh. This might even still get time. Go do in dada stand. They talk like person we know they okay. He said in Nigeria that dada said they go even baba. Give you a donny. Scrape your head, make you be like a mad person. Make you know so you really mad. This one now where come the form say, I not going to support myself say this or people they go still give them bill. Because you know all these American people, their own law is very different from African law. So they first even pity themselves, say give them bill, saying you know where maybe something they were saying they sick. Because I sure say this man they sick. Or maybe they even go overwatch all this movie. You know all these movies how they take kill person. I sure say this man don't overwatch this film. Now make a constant up say he won't go to kill his family. All in the name of Alu Akbar. My people, now this one now I say now they know say Oyinbo self madness they inside their DNA. If they run through their vein, not be only black people. Now in they mad. Oyinbo self they mad, but their own madness is they very corporate. Now this one I say I can't make a bring and come make myself using an eye. See what thing they happen for Florida. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write down for the comment section. Make not forget to like or share and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.